Check mic. 1, 2. Hey, sound. Check. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind kung saan we talk about making money, right? We talk about the stock market, how to trade in the stock market, ano ba mag-deal sa, hindi lang stock market, but NFTs, crypto, which is very hot right now. All-time highs nga sila Bitcoin di ba? Forex, international trade, international market, whatever opportunity it is out there. We are gonna be talking about it. Welcome to the Daily Grind. A little request from my end. Hopefully, what do you call this? Tulungan niyo po ako with our goal to reach more Filipinos, especially mga newbies sa stock market. Share this to your friends, families, relatives. Sa mga trading groups niyo, doon maraming newbies So please share this to our trading groups para yung mga newbies marating natin. Right? Our goal really is para gabayan natin yung mga newbies. Kasi karamihan sa mga newbies na nagsisimula, 70% of them quit. Right? That's what we want to at least lessen, diba? So we want to reach the newbies, gabayan natin yung start nila so that if they know how to start this one, hindi sila maipit, and at least hindi na sila mag-quit. Kasi maramihan tulad mo na nanonood dito ngayon, and your port is already green because of the daily grind, hindi ka nag-quit sa stock market, and that's what we want to happen. So please share this video to your trading groups po. Thank you so much for that. Ayan, update tayo sa market. Welcome newbies. SGP showing on the screen right now. SGP kanina nag-flooring from 396, almost 400 pesos. Open up at 1260, which is the, what do you call this, the IPO, right? Maraming nag-subscribe dito kasi nga sabi na, uy, tag 400 yan. Tapos 12 pesos lang ibebenta. So, napakamura, di ba? We talked about this. So many people asked me about it. Change ko na yung music para marinig tayo na maayos. Not sure. I think the mic is okay naman. I'm not really sure bakit hindi ko gaano naririnig sarili ko. I guess the audio on my, yung headphones ko lang pala na volume is medyo mababa. So yan, let me lower my headphones a little bit lang. Kaya malakas naman ngayon. Ayan. So, ganito yan. Many people went in thinking that nakamura sila, di ba? So, yeah, in a thought, yes. But they were thinking na FOO lang yon, yung opening price will not be at 1260. So, that was the problem right there. Pag ganito kasi na matagal na close isang hindi na pwede i-trade. The last time it was available for trading sa SGP was 28th of May. Yan, 28th of May 2021. So few months ago, 'di ba? Tapos nag-FOO sila ng 12 pesos ng ganun. Right? Lugi yung mga andito di ba? If you think, mayroon nga bumili at 400 pesos tapos bebenta nila ng 12. So akala nila that was a good bargain. We talked about this, may nagtanong sa atin maganda bang bilhin si SGP kasi sobrang discount na, right? The problem is yung unang kung sinabi sa inyo is I don't like FOOs. If ever mag-FOO man, dapat alam niyo saan pupunta yung pera. What's the reason bakit mag-FOO sila, di ba? And it opened at 1260. Flooring adjustments were removed during that day. So wala po siyang flooring talaga na 50% lang. Adjustment happened today at 1260. So whatever FOO you bought it at, yun yung price na makukuha mo. Is this a good trade? Maganda na yung volume niya. The question is, are you gonna be in it for long term, right? Kung gusto niyo mag long term dito, yes, this is a good discount. Kaso nga lang, tingnan niyo po ito. Net foreign selling po. Today, 800 million pesos ang lumabas na pera. At ayun nila kay SGP. So that is something that we should be considering. So I don't have enough facts for SGP totally just because I'm not interested in this company. It's not creating enough interest for me to get into this asset. So please do your part. If ever maganda pa rin ang takbo ng company nito on your research, maybe may mga YouTuber din dyan that made a research about SGP. Use that as your fact. And since nag-FOO kayo at the same price pa rin naman ngayon, at least okay pa rin. Hindi siya nag-12 tas bumagsak, di ba? So you're still at a very good position at the very least, di ba? I cannot recommend this just yet. Technical analysis is still not there. This is beyond technical analysis kasi, oy, Sir Lloyd, RSI niya nasa below 20 na. Nope, hindi po yan. Hindi po yan ganyan because today is a special day, so beyond technical analysis po ito. Maybe in the future, if we can see something maganda nagalaw, then there, right? That's where I will call a buy. Sabihin nyo sa akin if may makita kayo. That's a charting natin. Nga pala, shout out to Juvic Jimenez. Ayan, nagpapa-shoutout siya ngayon. Was asking kung pwede ba tingnan si Mark. Si Mark kanina kasi nag-breakout. Alright, breakout. Yes, there it is. Beautiful breakout kay Mark. If ever pinansin nyo to, nakapasok kayo 3,600 for the third quarter earnings. Very, very good new numbers right there for Mark Ventures. Dapat kanina was the best entry point. Full back and bounce na sa susunod. Huwag nyo na pong habulin yan. Alright, I was for Mark. Nagpapa-shoutout siya sa atin kanina. I mean, siya shoutout ko si Mark. Wala. Magandang gabi sa mga nanonood sa atin through YouTube. Right, going back to the comments. Ayan, update muna tayo konti before we go to the comments. PSEI today, big red. And we were kind of expecting that because nasa resistance na tayo. Very big resistance right there. Pero kahit pula po yan, PSEI was at a net foreign buying. 507 million. So it's still very good. Kind of bullish. Hindi anong grabe na aggressive bullish naman ang position natin. Pero, because we're in the resistance, hopefully magtuloy-tuloy ang breakout, right? Gusto ko magtuloy-tuloy ang breakout. Pero, ang ganda kasi na economic news di ba? Ganda na economic recovery natin. And that's the reason why foreign investors are starting to come in also. One of the biggest reasons bakit pumapasok sila. And it's about time to take profits kasi. That's the reason why we got this red. Sila JFC, sobrang taas na. Sila Macro, sila Mega World, sobrang taas na. So, take profits na. I'll go to the comments really quick. Rowena just said, good evening. Nano Joseph, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Breakout and gap up DNL natin. Create sites on SMPH, EEI, DMC. O nga pala, si DNL. Sabi natin kahapon, if mag-breakout ito, you get in. Nag-breakout nga siya, gap up even, pero nagka-sell off din overall. But still, that's a good volume on the breakout, man. So, that's looking well. Pag nag-green yan, that's gonna be a buy for DNL. Inside kay SMPH, medyo resistance sa SMPH. Let's breakout lang muna. EEI, and DMC. Si DMC nasa taas rin. EEI, right, up. And that's a reverse head and shoulder pattern. Pag nag-breakout yan, kung hindi niya pa nasabayan sa reverse head and shoulder niya, that's gonna be your best entry point for EEI. Breakout. DMC. Alright, DMC, pullback. Susunod na bounce, that is going to be another higher low. That's your short-term trend line right there. That is your buy point for DMC. At loss lang pag nagkamali yan. Laura Napa, good evening. Junior Aquino, good evening. Prince Carl, your thoughts on SGP? Sir, for good for long term po ba ito? No, I can't comment on that just yet. Just because I don't have the facts. You know for fact na hindi na ako focus sa PSEI. Right? I'm just helping people who are here technical analysis wise. Tapos fundamentals natin kaya ini-invite ko lagi si Kapemang Arnel is because for the fundamentals, yun kasi yung trabaho niya sa data as a full-time broker. So mas equipped sila sa fundamentals. Talk to him about SGP's FOO. He was not buying it. That's the reason why I told you guys I'm not going to be looking at it. Also, since Kapemang Arnel was not going to look into it, because they're not interested and I don't recommend it if it doesn't interest brokers. Right, good evening, Jetter, Petron Corp, Sir Lloyd, ibebenta daw sa government si Petron. Ano nga ba yung code ni Petron? PCOR, yun. Nalimutan ko. So, PCOR, dropping right now. Downtrend pa si PCOR. Stay away from it. Noben Pasio, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Axis po. Thank you. Si Axis, sobrang taas eh. Lakas kasi ng Axie Infinity. Axis USDT. right now is at all-time high levels si Axis. I cannot recommend this anymore. Sobrang taas na. If ever you're familiar with Axie Infinity, this is ito yung parang stocks nila mismo, right? SLP is the tokens that you generate in the game. Si Axis naman is ito yung parang stocks nila. Ito yung traded in the marketplace po, right? So Axis. Sobrang taas, kaya po ang mahal gumawa ng mga Axis ngayon kasi you will need one Axis AXS to create to breed an Axie, right? And since marami pang gustong mag-create ng mga Axie kasi maraming nag-join, Axis is going up because it is being burned whenever an Axie is being created, diba? So I cannot recommend it for trading, masyado mataas. That's one of the reason why I told you guys simula na tayo mag-Axie noon dito pa lang before nag-breakout si Ron for the updates. And lumipad na siya mahal na ngayon ng Axie because of that. And that's one of the reason why ang mahal ng Axies ngayon. Speaking of Axies na mga scholars, here's our tracker. Sobrang ganda ng takbo ng teams natin. Our goal is around 150 SLP pataas. Meron tayong mga bago pa lang na mga scholars dito. And that's the reason why you see these lower SLP counts right here. Pero overall, yung mga average natin monthly ang tataas na, right? We have quite a few who are going up 150 up na ang monthly average na ng SLP. So 150 up SLP is very good earnings already for you guys, especially the current price of SLP is around almost 4 pesos. Malaki po yan, right? Let's say for example, this guy right here is itong average niya is 256 SLP a day. Let's do the calculator. Isa yan sa mga scholars natin. 256 SLP a day. 256 SLP a day times 31 days. And then times lagay natin 3.9, which is the current price. Yung earnings ng isang scholar right now natin under us is 30,950. Right? 2 buwan lang, kaya niya nang bawiin ang capital natin. Right now, it's at 70K. Diba? But yeah, that's very big right there. And sa mga nakikipag-partner sa atin, 20% of this goes to you. Right? 20% of this is big. 6K, right? For 60,000, 70,000 na investment is around 10% diba? But yeah, those are the top performing scholars kasi. But around average is siguro makukuha nyo is around 4K, pinakamaliit with the current prices. So 4K is still not bad, right? 4K for a 70,000 capital. 4K para ka na may pinarentahan na pinauupahan na kwarto dyan. Tas ang cost mo is 70,000 pesos. So kagandahan pa sa Axie, yung cost na yan is it's there and it's very liquid. Pwede, ang bilis kasi magbenta ng Axie ngayon. So if ever gusto niyo yung capital niyo in return, benta niyo lang yung Axie niyo, it becomes cash. And ngayon, umaakyat pa yung presyo ng Axie, so mas mataas pa makukuha ninyo. So technically, pag nagsibula kayo ng Axie ngayon, yung makakuha niyo every month is already your profits because the Axie is there representing your funds. If ever gusto niyo po makipag-partner sa akin sa Axie Infinity kasi ayaw niyo sakit ng ulo, looking for scholars, etc. Ganito, ganyan. Looking for right Axies for the right teams. Mas mainam, just partner up with me. Let's sponsor a scholar. At least makabigay rin tayo ng trabaho sa mga tao through Axie Infinity. So, send me a message in Financial Freedom 101 for the partnership. I can give you, informal lang naman yung proposal natin. But yeah, that is passive income for you guys. At least 5%, di ba? As for the current prices. Na SLP, 5% a month sa 70K ninyo ang kinikita ninyo. That's not bad at all. Going back to the comments, right? Juvic, Jimenez, Sir Lloyd, pacheck po ng mark. We just got it. Juvic, sinatout pa kita kanina, pre. Pwede umabol bukas sa pullback and bounce, man. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Holcim, Converge, MM, pacheck po. Thanks. Let's share the screen once again. Converge, asa na ako? Converge, TNVRG. And Converge. Pull back na siya. Susunod na green. Right? This is your support right here. Baka dyan mag-green. That's your entry point for Converge. That's for short-term buy. That's your buy point. Jocelyn T, good evening. Prince Carl, establishing good support na po ba si all day, sir? Tingnan nga natin. I can't call it good support pa rin because ilang araw pa eh. Diba? That could be a bounce right there. Nagpo-pull back. Pag nag-green, I guess that's not a very good support, pero at the very least on the short term, ilang araw pa lang si all day. On the short term, it has support already. So, you can buy it there kung gusto ninyo. Good evening, Lang. Pa-shout out to Sir Lang is one of our scholars. They're watching Daily Grind right now. They're also interested already in investments, etc. And that's one way we are helping din ng mga scholars natin. Di lang giving them scholarship, but we're also influencing them para maging financially literate then, right? So we're extending our influence that way. Charles Ang, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Just registered to Izanagi a while ago. Excited for the coming months. Congratulations, Charles Ang. Right, sa mga nag-start sa Izanagi. Let's update nga tayo kay Izanagi for today. Let me just open a page. Izanagi. Yan, 242% for Izanagi already, right? Mind you, sa may nanonood ng newbie pa lang ngayon, 71,000 viewers. Galing. 71,000 viewers dito. 40,000 viewers. Magandang gabi sa inyo sa YouTube din. Right? Sa mga newbies na nanonood, what is Izanagi? Izanagi is bot trading po ito. Right? This is automated trading. Yung nakikita nyo po ngayon is a public report of the performance of the bot. Right? 242% already yung gain natin since the account started trading with the bot. And this is purely automated trading. Wala po kaming ginawa dito. This is for public purposes. Verified po itong record na ito. Makita niyo po dyan sa my FX book. January 18, fast forward, November 10, 242%. More than times 3 na ang pera natin na capital sa Izanagi. Grabe, no? Parang scam pakinggan. But yeah, the bot is for free. So, ano pang scam dyan? Right? Wala kaming hihingin sa'yo. Ang babayaran nyo lang dito, may monthly fees lang, which is the VPS. Technically, because this bot will be running 24/7, right? We're gonna be using VPS, right? Isang VPS. That is technically where the bot will trade your account. It's gonna be running 24/7. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-on ng PC 24/7 at bantayan ito. Yung VPS na at yung technical team namin. Yun lang ang babayaran ninyo. 500 pesos a month lang po. That goes to the VPS. That doesn't go to us. So the bot is for free. Please share this. Paki-share nyo po. Sa mga nanonood dyan na nasa Izanagi na and already earning, please post your earnings and kailan kayo nagsimula just to inspire those who are starting already. And ayun po, Izanagi, yung goal kasi namin sa Izanagi talaga is let's get rich together, diba? We created this bot for free for you guys. Para wala na kayong bayaran, etc. It's a win-win solution for everyone. Ito na, literal na let's get rich together, diba? Check out the bot. It's for free. And dyan sa video description yung video niya so that you will know more about this. Please share this to your friends, to your relatives, to your office mates. Alam nyo po, right? Kasi kami dito sa StockSed, ako mismo Financial Freedom 101, we don't have the funds to market Izanagi. Kasi Izanagi nga is for free, wala po itong bayad. And wala po kaming leverage dito, tulad ng mga ibang bot dyan na may bayad na sinasabi nila, if ever mayroon kayong ma-recruit, na mag-join sa bot, ililibre namin yung bayad nyo this month. Wala kaming ganun kasi hindi namin pwede ilibre ang VPS. Libre na nga yung bot eh. Wala kami pa magbabayad sa VPS. Yun lang amin. We cannot use that leverage, so all we can do is really ask for favor from you guys if ever the bot is doing well for you, which is most probably he's doing well. Sino bang lugi sa bot dyan? Lagay nyo sa comments. Wala po magsasabi sa inyo. Ang tagal ko nang inaano tong bot. Right? If ever this has been doing well for you guys, yun lang ang request namin. Right? In return, please share your earnings. Share the news about Valkyrie about Izanagi para po mas marami pang Pinoy malaman about Izanagi. At least man lang malaman nila what Izanagi is. Diba? Hindi nyo kailangan i-convince. Just let them know about Izanagi. Sila na bahala dyan. Ishi Marimat, magandang gabi. Good evening to you, man. Dave Viola, Sir Seb po, 11 peso, fair peso, 8 billion loss. O nga eh. Pero tignan nyo, okay pa rin ang galaw ni Seb. Cebu Pacific has been doing well already. That is because forecasting po ito, right? During the bottom, we talked about this. Kung mag-breakout, there was a support, there was divergence right there. RSI even gave us a buy signal and RSI did not fail us. That's the reason why nasa negative 20 yung RSI ko. Breakout, that would have been a best entry and it's already going up. Forecasting po ito, with the economy doing better and better, pumwesto na ang mga investors. Earnings nila is for sure negative po yan kasi wala pang ganong flight ngayon. But it should be better in the next coming days. Kaya pumwesto na mga tao. If you wanna trade this one, that's the uptrend right there. You know where to enter it already. Fruit and GDS, this is for Ishi Marimat. Let's check out Frutas. Right, daan ako mamaya mga 8:30 sa YouTube natin sa mga nanonood through YouTube. Comments niyo naman ang dadaanan ko. Fruit. Ganda na support ni Frutas dito Alright, Frutas, mayroon tayong descending triangle somehow. So, that support right there is good, right? Let it break out kung gusto nyo i-trade to pag nag-breakout sa downtrend line na yan. That's gonna be your entry point. Low risk yung position ni Fruit ngayon, so that's good. GDS. Pati ng ilong ko GDS. Okay. GDS Holdings. Sideways trend overall. Resistance right here. We are at support levels, yes. Short-term support for us right here. So yeah, that's a buy and this is a buy right here. So yeah. So received extra earning natin from members. So thanks a lot. Pwede na natin ilalagay sa Izanagi pa-help. Thanks. This is from Jellers. Yes, we were able to send some of the returns kay Emersword last night. Yung iba, yung kulang, meron pa akong ibang kulang na hindi pa napapadalhan. Papadala pa rin namin tonight. So, either tonight or tomorrow, right? Congratulations sa mga nakisabay sa akin sa Ember Sword. GDS, yun yung call natin dyan. Pwede nyo bodega until the major support right there. Good PM. Idolo, do you trade Forex, especially gold? Yes, I trade Forex right now through the bot, right? I don't manually trade anymore kasi binuhusan na namin ng buong lakas namin yung bot na yan, right? We are already exhausted but the bot has been doing well already. Hindi ko na kailangan gumising para mag-trade. I let the bot do the trade for me, right? Si gold dati, yes, I also traded. Bobby Shelby, Atom, USDT, and IOS USDT po. Thanks, you're welcome. Let's check out Atom. Sir Lloyd, thoughts about reset Season 19, balik 1-2 MR, lahat pirana, and ibang attack, defense card ng mga AAP. Pwede po ba mag-team AAP in terms of kitaan and your thoughts about SLP bounce in MA50? Malapit na mag-cross 20 between 50. Thanks. Si SLP kasi hirap sabihin sa technical analysis yan because of the amount of minted SLP a day. Okay? So we can't really use technical analysis in it for sure. Yes, bumaba ang AAP but still very good. Let me see yung chat room natin. Right, our guys are still doing well even for today, right? Yun yung tracker. This is yesterday. Let me open today's earnings from the guys. Right, so karamihan ng mga tao natin is AAPs. So like example right here. This one right here earned 201 SLP for today. Okay, details, right? So this guys ay pakita. This guy's axis wallet, dito ba sa wallet makita 'yon? Battles, last year battles overview. Hindi makita. Hindi ko makita yung axis niya. But dapat yung naka-AEP, yeah, Aqua Bird ito. Aqua Bird. It's doing well. 201 SLP for today. Still okay. Nasa nagdadala yon actually. Right. Atom USDT. Collapse lang sa MA20. So this is gonna be very challenging. Resistance kasi dito kaya bumaba na. If ever bigyan kayo ng chance na bumaba dito sa major support niya, that's the best entry point for Atom. IOST USDT. Tingnan natin. IOST USDT. Sensya na. More into technical analysis lang ako dito. Because I don't really know these coins. I don't know most of the coins. O yung mga major coins lang ang tinitignan ko lagi. Looking well. Pero nagpo-pullback, bounce. That should be a short-term support. Major supports right here for iOS USDT. Jether, Mongaya, nag-start na po season 19, sir. Goods po din po ba? Right? Nasa nagdadala yan. Right? Okay pa rin naman sila. Sir, yung 70K po, when po kaya posibleng ROI? This is from Shai. Right? That's a very good question. If ever makipag-partner kayo sa Axie Infinity, it will be 70K, right? Technically, hindi nyo dapat iniisip ang ROI. Why? Because ganito po yan. Right? The Axies are there. Yung prices ng Axie is still there. Hindi po kasi siya tulad ng ibang investment. Let's say, for example, kumuha ka ng taxi or kumuha ka ng jeep, kailan ka mag-ROI? You need to think about ROI because those assets are degrading. This is digital asset right here, yung Axie. So that's representing your money. So let's say, for example, yung 70,000 pesos, we bought Axies. Your money is now represented by Axies. Para kang bumili ng gold. Now represented by Axies. Whatever it earns every month, that's already your earnings. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip ng ROI. Bakit? If ever gusto mo mag-ROI, just sell your Axies, you get your 70,000 back, plus yung mga every month nakita mo, that is profits already technically. So every month mo kinikita is already profits since your money is in the digital asset and it's represented there and umaakyat pa siya. Yun kaganda ng Axie. Bilhin mo, hindi siya nagde-degrade. It will still stay intact. So you don't really think about ROI sa Axie because your money is there. And then if ever gusto mong mag-back out, you wanna get the funds already kasi gusto mong ROI, would just sell the Axies. Right? That's simple as that. And makukuha mo ulit ang pera mo. Minsan pa nga mas mataas kasi pag mahal na yung Axie when we sell it. April Ilaw, Restored Insights po kay Solana. At LTC, salamat po. Napa-test buy ako SGP at 12.60. Hindi naman gumalaw si SGP. So, that's okay. Solana. Sol, di ba? Si Sol. Technical analysis tayo. Meron ako mga naririnig kay Sol eh. Just didn't have really the time to study it. Kasi it's another iba na naman fundamentals kay Solana. We're at RSI, bearish RSI levels already. I cannot recommend this anymore. Usually kasi ito, reversal signals ito. It's way up there, right? Way up there already. May magandang entries dito. Binigyan tayo breakout right there. Triangle formation. Another triangle pattern right here. Those are very good entries. MA20 entries. But right now, masyado mataas na. Stay away from it na. LTC. Ano ba yung LTC? LTC USDT ba? Or LTC Properties? LTC Properties? LTC USDT ito. LTCP USDT. LTC USDP. Masyado mataas to. Not sure about this one. I hate volatility sa crypto, so I don't want to trade this. Right? So, sorry, not my kind of trade. Good evening, sir. Pa-shoutout ako. That's from lang. Shoutout to you, man. Magandang gabi. Junior Aquino, thank you so much for the 50 stars. Congrats sa Izanagi investors. 20% gains in 1 month kay Izanagi. Let's get rich together. Yan. Yun yung solusyon namin. Talaga. Si Izanagi is really our solution. Or let's get rich together, right? Yan na po, Izanagi is for free. Problema lang namin kay Izanagi is we don't have the funds, machinery to really advertise it. Kasi pag in-advertise namin, hard advertising yun, nakikita nyo sa mga YouTube, ganito, ganyan. Parang networking pakinggan eh, right? It's hard selling really, right? So, as much as possible, we want na organic yung referral niya, hindi through advertising. Wala kaming funds pang advertising, libre lang yan po. So, yun lang. Yun lang ang hingi namin sa inyo, guys. If ever Izanagi has been good for you, good to you, share it to more Filipinos, right? The goal really there is yung let's get rich together. Yan na yung solution namin para let's get rich together. Sana lahat ng Pilipino may Izanagi. Sana yung gobyerno mag-Izanagi rin. Please, Carl, sana para mabayaran yung utang ng Pilipinas. Sana meron po ulit short-term session for Medic IPO naman. Sure. Sige, mag-request ako kay kay Arnel, right? Arnel. Yan. So, I already sent him a message. Antayin ko lang reply. Update ko kay bukas. Janer, Sir, 24/7 trading is Izanagi. So, hindi lang to Forex. Actually, 24/5 po yan. Kasi walang market sa ano. Yung servers lang natin nakaroon ng 24/7. Laura, Napa, Fruit, DFNN, ATN, please. Uy, it's 8:30. Laura, balikan kita. Punta muna ako sa YouTube. Magandang gabi sa mga nanonood sa atin sa YouTube. Right? Raul Tomale, good evening Sir Lloyd from Riyadh. Magandang hapon sa inyo dyan. Maadjong gabi, Boss Amo, Manager from JP Handayan. Jojo Neri, Sir. Ano na magandang broker na gamitin ko sa pag-trade sa Philippines stock, Sir? I use 2Trade Asia. I trust 2Trade Asia. Maganda ang 2Trade Asia pang brokerage. Small Kids Banko, magandang gabi. Guys, good evening. Suitcase Darling. Hi Sir Lloyd. Gladys here. Check naman po ng Shiba Inu chart. Ay. Shiba, nakalipad na to eh. Dapat hindi nyo na to sinasabayan. SHIB USDT. Yan. SHIB USDT. Nag-break na nga na MA20 eh. So, ipitan na to. Tapos na yung trend niya. Yung mga na-hype sa taas, medyo ipit na ngayon. I cannot recommend it anymore. Nakalipad na po yan. Sobrang mahal na yan. There's no point in getting in actually. Unless na isipin nyo na baka lumipad. Gusto ko sumakay. Yun na lang iniisip nyo. But that's way up there. I cannot recommend it. It's already greedy to even look at it. Benedict, tingin ko po sa bagong update ngayon sa season 19 po. It's good, right? It's good. That's the reason why hindi kami pumesto sa mga overpowered na mga axes. We went for AAP. It's not really overpowered na nerf siya, pero manageable yung nerf niya. Hindi tulad ng mga nagmeta talaga. Sobrang lakas ng mga nerfs. So, we're okay. Ryan Dexter Rajon, good evening. Jason Perez, good evening. Sa Suitcase Darling, Sir Lloyd, pacheck ako ng Shiba. Nasa tingin nyo, uptrend na buba siya? Pa-confirm naman po. Thank you. From Gladys. We answered that already. Lloyd, question lang. If I plan to add funds kay Izanagi this December, need ko ba i-describe kay admin na 50% ng total fund is for trading, 50% for buffer? Automatic na yun, pero just tell the admin. Okay na yan. Kasama na yung mga gains from previous month. Yeah, technically automatic na kay ano yun. But just tell that to the admin pa rin. Just for double checking, right? Ellen Grace, hello po, good evening. Delta Farm TV, how to avail the bot po. Andyan po sa video description yung yung link for the registration of the bot. Let me give it to you here sa comments para hindi nyo na kailangan hanapin. Even in Facebook na live, right? Ilagay ko sa comments, right? Register there. And on our Facebook live, yan. So, mga hindi pa nagre-register kay Izanagi. Okay, moving forward. Suitcase Darling. MC Koy House TV, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi. Venus Osima. Sir Lloyd, how about Globe? Alright, let's check out Globe. Sir Izanagi po ba anytime ka pwede mag-take profits? Yes po, anytime you can take profits. Globe breakout right there, ladies and gentlemen. Pullback and bounce. MA20 is gonna be your best entry point for Globe. Yes, there is a resistance right here. Kaso nga lang, very risky to for breakout trade si Globe kasi masyadong mahal na. So at least pullback and bounce, mas maganda pong trade na yan. The drum student, I heard thoughts on BNB, Binance Coin, BNB USDT, and Binance Coin USDT. Galing ng performance ng Binance. Sumasabay kasi to kay Bitcoin, but it's already way up there, right? Pag sumasabay kay Bitcoin, tingnan nyo po yan. I called Bitcoin right here. And whenever I call Bitcoin, tignan nyo na to ibang mga coins. Tignan nyo lang dito sa Bitcoin for BNB. Ganun lang. I don't recommend trading large cap coins. Mas maganda po yan if i-gather nyo lang, kolektahin. Asa na ako? Vincent Pascual, good evening. Timeless Wisdom, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi po. Alright, Ems, Pablo, Sir, interested po sa Izanagi. Any videos po to learn how it works? Andyan nun po sa video description yung video kay Izanagi para maintindihan nyo po. I strongly recommend you watch the video first before you register. Video description, magkatabi yun. The video about Izanagi and then nasa baba yung registration link ng Izanagi should you want to proceed. Okay, So, dito, please, this is from Grubaska. Let's check out dito. Nag-green ba si dito kanina or pumula at nag-breakdown yung support? So far, the support is still holding. If you want to trade this for short term, let it break out from the resistance before you want to get in. Sa mga gusto mag long term dyan, this is a very good dip for dito already. That's a buy. If it goes further down, then buy some more. So case, darling, Sir Lloyd, hindi po ba flag yung sa Shiba? Hindi po ba flag yung sa Shiba? Yes, pero Shiba Inu. Ganito lang. Yes, it is flag. Pero masyadong mahal kasi si Shiba eh. It's already way up there. So, you can call this the flag pattern right there. Kung mag-breakout, then good. If you want to trade this still, yes, pwede naman po. It's just that it's too expensive. It's too expensive at this point. For a meme coin, this is already very successful. If it still goes up, then good. But I don't recommend trading this. It's not part of my trading system na kasi na nagte-trade ng nagliliparan na. As much as possible doon tayo sa baba. In the future, magsa-settle down din to. I want this to settle down muna before we can call it a buy again. For now, because of the volatility right here, kung mag-breakout trade kayo dyan, but because of the volatility, look at this right here. Isang araw, how much percentage ang ginagalaw niya? Isang araw, 25%. If you can fathom that kind of volatility, kung okay na sa inyo yan, then trade this one sa breakout. But if not, wag po. 25% in a day is crazy na drop, right? I don't like that. That's the reason why it's not part of my trading. Hindi po yan shoot sa risk to reward ratio ko for crypto. Vincent Pascual, sir, when are the times you should sell all or sell half, and ano po ang signals for those? Kasi for example, ito Shiba, umaakit pa siya ng ganun, right? What you do, and nakapasok kayo sa breakout, let's say, or MA20, look at this, my favorite technical analysis, MA20, nag-pound siya, nakapasok kayo dyan at lumilipad, the next red, right, pag humina na po, that is where you sell 50%, right? Benta nyo 50%. Sell 50% of it. And then, on the other half, let it ride lang. If tumuloy-tuloy, then good. Use MA20. I usually use MA20. Ito lang, sobrang volatile kasi nito. But I use MA20 as my overall trend line. Pag nag-break na ng MA20, I sell all. Right? Sa other half, I did lose some funds, but overall, the trade is a win. Right? It's not about winning it all. It's about winning a trade when it comes to trading. Okay, Suitcase Darling, thank you. You're welcome po. Uy, may nagpadala naman stars. Thank you so much for the stars. Once again, may lalabas yan na zombie dyan for sure. In a bit, right? Laura, Napa, Fruit, DFNN, and ATN. Please, we covered Fruit already. Like na tayo sa Facebook ha, mga comments natin. Fruit, breakout, ayun. That's from Jelarius. Thank you so much for the 100 stars, man. Received extra earnings natin from Embersword. Thanks a lot. I help sa Izanagi ulit. Alright, sure man, no problem. DFNN. Let's check out DFNN. Okay, DFNN looking good already, ha. Volume is already starting to shoot up. Napapansin nyo, nagkakaroon na ng trend sa volume. Major supports right here. Bodega for DFNN. Cut loss below that line right there for DFNN. ATN. Ganda ng find nyo, Laura. Getting better. I love these kinds of trades. DFNN, si ATN naman. Masyadong nahirap huliin ni ATN ngayon, Overall, at the very least, is giving us an ascending triangle. Let it break out. That's gonna be a good short-term trade for ATN. Okay? For Laura. Saligano, SCC, and Nickel po, Sir Lloyd. Let's check out SCC. Oh, let me be. Di pa po nagre-reply yung admin ng bot trading PH per magpapaguide sana ako sa start ng Izanagi. Alright, I already updated the registration for Izanagi. It should be user-friendly now. If ever hindi kayo masagot, minsan kasi may trabaho kasi admin ko. Again, kailangan ko naghahanap ako ng staff kay Izanagi, but Izanagi kasi is for free kaya hindi ko nalalagyan ng funds yan kasi we're not really earning that much in Izanagi and maghanap pa ako ng secretary to answer. Kaya minsan hirap talaga. So, please understand, Pasensya na po because that's for free. But yeah, this is Izanagi's registration form right here. I already updated it. The form mas user-friendly na siya. Step number 1, use an account using here. Details po about is a must. Choose MT4. Types of accounts, micro accounts, swap free, no swap fee, standard, free credits up to 50%. Pwede pong standard para sa mga malalaking funds. If ever you put in if you put in maybe 50,000 pesos above, go for the standard account. If ever maliitan lang, $250 lang kayo magsimula, go for micro account. Okay? Right, micro, I recommend choosing this. So micro, kung nagsisimula pa lang kayo. Standard, free credits 50%. Dagdagan ko pa to na information. But these are steps and step by step already. Once na ma-fundan nyo na yung XM nyo, ma-verify na siya at ma-fundan na, continue with the registration. Dito po sa baba yung registration for the bot. Okay? So ganun lang. Just follow these first. Pag meron na kayo, balik lang kayo dito. Download Telegram. Sa Telegram po kayo notify if ever nagsimula na yung bot ninyo. Right? So, should be easy, right? It should be easy. Moving forward, pasensya na if hindi kayo masagot full-time. Kasi wala akong full-time na staff kasi for Izanagi since libre lang siya. Should I? Kailangan ba natin nilagyan ng bayad para sa staff lang? I tell you guys, may admin kami dyan. May pinapasweldo kami dyan sa Izanagi. Right? And what Izanagi is for free for everyone. So, serbisyo publiko po talaga yung Izanagi na yan. Okay? Meron kami tagasagot sa inyo, etc. May sinesweldohan kami for that, even if it's for free. Wolf Prince Trader, Sir Lloyd, any thoughts on reset? We covered this already. House po, Sir Lloyd. Tingnan natin si House po. Let's check out House. Aqua died today. Okay, ang daming nerf kay Aqua eh. Hindi na niya kaya mag-burst with 4 cards pero so that's sad. Kailangan niya tagay 6 cards na. But yeah, mas longer yung gameplay ngayon so I like it better. Houseman, nasa resistance levels tayo. Breakout na lang muna or if ever bumalik sa support, abangan natin sa support for House. Petty Navarro, next in line din po ako sa Ernie sa Ember Sword. Ready for Izanagi. Thank you, Sir Lloyd, sa opportunity. Happy to help po. Sir Ada, Cardano was a buy already. Ada, USDT. Pullback. Susunod na bounce. Ayan po. Alright. So, Renato Dolor, GMA Sir Lloyd. Let's check out GMA7. Laki ng red eh. Right? Medyo bearish na si GMA7. We had a previous bounce right here. So if you wanna trade this one, alam niyo na po saan suhuliin si GMA7. Then support na yan. Sir, late ako nakapasok eh. Paulit naman po SGP please. Ano pong insights new sir? If ever, wala pa tayong technical analysis for SGP. So I can't say it's a buy technical analysis wise. Fundamentals wise, no. Wala akong data rin eh. If you can find some data about it, and that's good. Nano Joseph, Sir Lloyd, what's your risk analysis on Axis? I'm also interested to partner with you. Thanks po. Risk analysis ko Axis. This is a good question, right? That's the reason why tig-isang team lang as much as possible if ever you can, right? If again, Axis, the good thing about Axis is hindi pa siya starting, right? It already has proven itself. So and it's still growing, right? Every day. So that we are trying to ride on the growth. Ako mismo, I'm trying to ride on the growth, which is ngayon napakababa kasi ng presyo niya. So yung growth factor niya is good. Okay? Do not go all in on Axie Infinity. It's still a game overall. Anytime soon in the future, kung may makagawa na mas maganda na system for NFTs, baka mawala si Axie. That's the reason why. Do not go heavy on it. Isang team should be enough. At the very least, you're dipping your foot in the millions and billions of pesos that's being generated in it, and we're taking part of it for now, diba? So yeah, Nana Joseph, sir, what's your risk analysis? Yeah, that's my take. Isang team, that's it. Do not go more. Gusto nyo mag-more, dun kayo sa Izanagi kasi proven na yun. If napanood nyo na yung video about backtesting ni Izanagi, even through the pandemic, it has been doing well. Army Esparcia, sana all. Paul Hementera, Holcim po, Sir Lloyd. Let's check out Holcim. Thank you, sir. Thank you din. Uy, guys, 10 shares lang tayo. Mas maraming share, mas maganda. Right? Hopefully, you have shared the videos already. If not, kahit yung Izanagi lang na results ninyo. Wholesome, good support right here for Wholesome. Divergence, pag nag-green yan, short-term trade for Wholesome. That's a good find. Ron Sia, sir, may video kayo tutorial for Izanagi. Yes, meron po. Diyan sa video description yung link ng video. Sir Lloyd, waiting for confirmation installation ng Izanagi account namin. Thank you for sharing your ganitong passive income, more power. Happy to help po. Sir, natanggap ko pa application. Nagtatanggap po kayo ng scholarships sa AXI. That's a tricky question because yes, technically tumatanggap kami ng mga scholarship, but I prefer experience na, right? Hindi po bara-bara or hindi po putyo-putyo yung access natin sa mga investors. Hindi po sila yung mga mumurahin na AXI. So, people are putting funds in it. Kaya po, I'm looking for experienced ones already. So, karamihan ng teams natin ngayon is experienced ones. So, medyo picky ako. Alright? Pili ako maghanap ng mga scholarship. So, pasensya na. If ever may experience kayo, if you're confident, send me a message sa Financial Freedom 101. Sir, si Dito, kamusta na? We covered Dito already earlier. So, I guess this is already done. Bobby Shelby, di po nag-reply admin sa bot. Pasensya na. Jelarius, thank you so much for the stars, man. Jenner, sir, may XM ako dati sa TF bot. Trading, pwede po ba yun? Nag-stop ako sa TF bot kasi yes. Yeah, man. Pwede po yun. Pwede po yun. DC Saints, 75 cent. Thank you so much for the stars. Darwin Sikinya, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Regarding sa registration ng Izanagi, di ko po masunod yung step 1 kasi may MT4 na account na ako. At yun ginagamit ko, sir. Okay lang po ba yan, sir? No, sadly po, hindi po pwede. You have to create a new account. Meron naman po yung instructions din dito. What if I already have an XM account? Follow these instructions instead. With already XM accounts, you just need to open new MT4 accounts. You follow the steps. Click this link. Click open additional account. Log in XM account. Right? Fill up data sheet available. So, yeah. Yun po. Meron po diyang option create another account, right? And it will, yung kagandahan kay XM kasi is meron kayong mother account, meron kayong mga sub-accounts. Yung sub-account ninyo, i-under natin for the Izanagi. That's not a problem. Sir Lloyd, I've experienced playing AXI, pero paano pa mag-apply ng scholarship sa AXI? Send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. Pero for now, wala po akong opening eh. But yeah, send me a message pa rin. M-Wide. Let's check out M-Wide. M-Wide. Alright, so M-Wide, sideways. Alright, good. Ang days rin siya Next, green. Try the support. Let's try to support of M-Wide. Overall, the company is still doing well naman kasi. So, massive support right there for M-Wide. Divergences on those supports. That's good. So, bodega for M-Wide sa mga next greens. Tingnan ko lang ulit. Nabasa natin lahat ng comments sa Facebook. Balikan ko lang sa YouTube saglit. Vincent Pascual, sir, once the time you should sell. We read this already. Sir Lloyd, interesado po ako sa AXI at Izanagi. Hindi po ako gamer, pero gusto ko po mag-invest. Need po ba full-time dyan or pwede nagwo-work? Pwede naman nagwo-work. If ever you're already good at playing it, it will take around 2 to 3 hours of your time a day for the AXI Infinity. Pwede naman kayo magpa-scholar, right? If ever you don't want to partner up with me, pwede naman kayo kawa kayo ng AXI team, ipagamit nyo sa iba, share profits na kayo after, right? Kung ayaw nyo sakit sa ulo, partner lang tayo, right? Dice, good. Lloyd, curious lang ako sa currently safety net ng AXI na mabubusan ng devs katulad na nangyari sa Squid. Wala naman, AXI's been there for quite a while already. So, we're not afraid of that anymore. So, Grace Darren shared na po sa cousins. Thank you. Yan po yung 70K. Yes, for the AXI partnership with me. Heads up lang. It's 70K right now. The possible income po niyan depende po sa SLP prices. But with the current SLP prices at 4 pesos, it should give you around 5 to 8,000 pesos a month if you partner up with me. So, that's around a good 8% monthly return po sa 70K na investment niyo. Pero depende po yan sa SLP prices talaga. So, yeah. Alright, so I guess I've read everything already going back to Facebook. And we've read everything at this point. Alright. That's it for me this evening. Reminders lang, Izanagi. Please watch the video about it muna before you decide to go into Izanagi. Andyan po sa video description yung Izanagi explanation natin and the back testing so that you will know how good it is. If you're interested, video description, yung registration, just follow the instructions right there and you should be good to go after that one. Partnership with Axie still open. Send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. Sa Financial Freedom 101 po, hindi po dito sa StockSed. Right? Financial Freedom 101 is my page. If you haven't followed it, follow it please. Right? This is the page. This is how it looks like. Financial Freedom 101 right there. This is me. This is my official page right here. Ayan po. So, dito po kayo mag-send message. Wag dito sa StockSed. Okay? That's it for me this evening. I'll see you tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Share nyo po sa mga relatives nyo sa Izanagi. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.